Welcome to Bible Channel. Thank you so much today about this. I want to read for you something. Here is the Bible talk about little bit. Okay, here, my friends, I like to share with you about the Bible. Okay, Matthew chapter 23 verse 14 talk about little bit here. Okay, I don't see about the new vision is that the whole word is mission. The whole verse mission. This meaning about that I find it on the other Bible written. Okay, this is not good thing. When we find in the Bible we need it. This is a wrong thing we do. And the Quran Bible is the difference between written and the Matthew chapter, the 23 verse 13 in there. Okay, I want to read for you here is the little bit about that. Today is the woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites, for ye divorce window house, and for us pretense make long prayer. Therefore ye shall resist the greater damnation. Greater damnation means, do you understand about that? This is a very bad thing. Alright. Okay, little kura pakropatu patala patamupu lataninya e pakrasikamora petina palata takluwaning. Metala, this topic is I want to tell you about the topic is 4 years devour winter house. Okay. Little kura pakropatu patala away ni Debra la tapita matil pane, liso shipakanyok lorokolwa clone, aquera a cookie daughter senyane. Yenapa or the Thiba. Coppola Manitume, Limate Sado, Kisita Sabot Silvi, Mimilo Colwane, Mimilo, Pacagnone, Limate Sado Kisita, a support, the Sita Cupuni, Uedinilom. Hutaroni, Limate Puni, Painted Terra Kisita, a support, the Sitani Terra Dilo, Paqueli, Dopa Parise, Palota Puthi. Tuba Apollo, a giddy two aqui pamukame, a he dollar, ta o plagone, tuba tukapata, tortokilo, mother dinero, tu kabata signor, na torquilo, tukapata signor, na torquilo. Lutana kutaro, pa batukapara, tortodo, pamata way in a metala to credit bawa sicko, le patiba or le tagitaklu kailo. Paini pa ero le lisoshi pu tapa plavara. Here is that the Bible talk about here little bit in the Bible is here chapter 22 verse 25 talk about little bit here. Therefore is as conspiracy of the her princess within her like a roaring lion. Tear is praise. They divorce people, take treasures and precious things, and make many windows within her. Let them who are pay sick on a park without a pomp commit the part of a clonilom. Le pacle qua le pacagno clonic quevera de sicolo, quevera de long. Le we yahiskila selo kisiki sapo. Yes, Kissy Katuda de law, we the pata ulo, olo, uwella pulo, diki le aka nyo tota do ipota, gune ta atuni, okwe poata, mane tapa po ata, do taludo puido, dukedo pamukame agala ataki pulo, dukedo pamukame agala taki pulo. Hi, my friends. Thank you so much. Okay. I came and read for you about the Matthew chapter 23 verse 14. But in the new vision, I don't see This word is mission. Thank you so much. I just let you know about the one you read Bible. You see that in the Bible written in Matthew chapter 23 verse 14. Talk about the 4 years divorce winter house. This is mean in the topic I'm reading right now. Okay, I want to keep going and reading about the Mark chapter 12 verse 14. Talk about verse 40. Talk about a little bit. Okay. Pero le maku asado. Okay. Asado to siki asapolu shine katutana politai taklu pay di long. Devara di long. They divorce windows house and for a soul makes lengthy prayers, such men would be punished most severely. Most severely. Let us go to the error to tell the title Kyle, pero DVD law. Thank you so much, my friends. Okay, welcome. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Today is the payroll packet ma lima ko salo to see key as a sine to daddy law. Do okwe pamukame he dollar a o pla agoni batika pata totokalelo a wedded pani kabadu tasigno narkilo a wedded pani kabadu tasigno narkilo devada dinetulo. Let us look at our pero le qua sicolo Luca le Luca asado kisi asapo Lucy Nuini catutara qua le munitipinde. Le Luca asado kisi asapo Lucy Nuini catutara qua le payno. Le Luca asado kisi asapo Lucy Nui devano. Payne pero paqua to sepo tamata. Did pala patamo punilong. Here is the Luke chapter 20 verse 47 talk about they devoured winter house and for a soul make lengthy prayers such men will be punished most severely. Let us quote out the same thing Jesus talking about the wickedness in the Mark, okay, Luke, Matthew, okay. Hi, thank you so much, my friends. Okay, I will say, I want to say to you here is the, oh, your cat died today. Sorry about that. You're feeling so bad. It's okay. This is meaning about in the world happening. Coming. What's wrong is your cat. Something happened, or maybe sickness, or maybe crash on the car sometime accidentally. This is okay happening coming us. I see that my friend has that little dog, you know, that one day her son, okay, her son accidentally, okay, present and then die, but the whole heart is a crying. Sometimes my friends had the cats and the accident crash, okay, with the car, the same thing, they cry. This is a just like the human being, okay, the life, okay, just like this, the same thing, okay. We they think about that the cat is nothing, the dog is nothing, but sometimes once you stay relationships very good, this is mean about that you're very sad and you has the painful too, you know that, because you remembering something your loved one. Okay, sorry, my friends. Now, pero le quasico. Okay, I want to read for you. Reading for you about here. Pene pero le quale le Luca asado. Okay, le Luca asado. Kisi asapolusi nuini. Deba pala tagita group pay to sepolo. A wedding the pani, awkward wamukame he dollar ta o plago. Batika pata totokale. Dogledo, a wedding kabata senior da tarkilo. Little Huda limate liluka li mother le mako liluka kupuni toko wera dine tulo. Penny pero le qua. Okay. Okay, I want to keep going and reading about the Paul talent to the, talent to the Timothy. Timothy is the Paul written, right? Paul talking about this. Second Timothy chapter 3 verse 6 talk about little bit here. I want to reading about little bit. Okay, chapter 3 verse 6 here. They are the kind who worm their way into homes and gains control over weak, willing women who are loaded down with sin and are swayed by all kind of evil desires or evil desires. Okay, we should think about carefully in when we read in the Bible. Okay. This meaning about in the right Bible written. Little Kutaro Lily Soshi Puni attack weapon meta tadi itulong. Payne le kitimete a set of third support huni katutaro polo patamu puti lo tebra agiri pa ula par panikla mi pola aleno kutusu pa hipu do merke ku pomula akuta theba akuta theba do le puedo tadeba do po ta kuita aglu ki da le puedo tada pomula akuta theba le puedo tadeba le tano kuta ro patinya le pata omu punilo when meta la pa mo oda pa ba palo tu palo talo pata omu pusikolong. Penny, I want to read for you the T2 chapter 1 verse 11 talk about a little bit here. They must be silent because they are ruining whole household by teaching them they ought not to teach and that for the sake of dishonest gain. Okay, dishonest gain. You should think about as they are not to teach. This is a wrong thing we do in the world. The time we are paying did to a serotor a sepo the sitani katutano palo patamu pune midilo. Padapani kabata ta takolo. A weti did to a kanima sila alakapo to ubado tuki tala atagi tuba do makadiga daki pa hido hi nya ta phalo letan ko tatuki to ke ni ka ba to lo tameta ta lo hu ta lo tuki to ki tala pagete mala awat kha pata kho awane pa kha pata kho ne meta la taki ba do pagete ma tuki to ki tala pagete mala no ataki ba ataki tuba phane no tuki tala ataki tuba do magadida kwe pwahi do hinya na phalo awe magadida we tati the phani letana khura tama atai ne metala atake ba wa ti the phala bata mu ko we should think about it when people preaching teaching the right thing you should listen sometimes you don't want to hear right this is a meaning about the wrong thing you do okay wrong thing you do you should think about that the great thing in your life is better than you think about like that. No, you know that the preaching is should be the right way. Okay, sometimes they preach you with a liar thing because they don't want you sad or you feeling bad like the wrong thing, right? When they preach you the right thing, you should think about how to patient, how to do the job. You will be wiser. This is a great thing for you. Here is the finishes. Thank you so much, my friend. Today is the Matthew chapter 23, verse 14. Woe to you, is Christ and the Pharisees, the hypocrites, for ye divorce window house, and for a pretense make long prayer. Therefore you Cell resists the greatest domination. This is a very, very not good thing. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I will see you next time. Bye bye.